standing before a lecture hall, passionately presenting your project, only to face a crushing failure under the watchful eyes of professors and classmates. That was the moment Wang Tao, the founder of DJI, once experienced. A presentation that went completely wrong, a failure that seemed to shatter all hope. But instead of giving up, this very setback became the turning point that ignited an unyielding passion for drone technology within him. Rather than walking away, Wang Tao dove deeper into flight control systems, transforming failure into motivation to chase his dreams. No one could have predicted that this seemingly forgettable moment would mark the beginning of a $15 billion tech empire. From a young age, Wang Tao was captivated by flying machines. He was especially fascinated by remote-controlled helicopters, spending hours observing their movements and mastering their controls. But his passion extended far beyond just playing with these models. One day, while testing his beloved helicopter, he accidentally crashed it. Watching its propellers shatter, he felt more than just disappointment. He was consumed by curiosity about how these machines worked. That moment planted the seed of an obsession. He wanted to understand flight control systems and find ways to make aircraft more stable and precise. No one could have imagined that this childhood passion, sparked by a simple accident, would lay the foundation for one of the world's leading drone companies. Despite his deep love for remote-controlled aircraft, Wang Tao's academic journey was far from smooth. He initially enrolled at East China Normal University, but soon realized the curriculum was too theoretical, offering little practical application for his drone-related ideas. Determined to access a more advanced education, he applied to prestigious universities like Stanford and MIT, only to face rejection. Undeterred, he chose to study at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, HKUST, a place that provided a better research environment for his passion. At HKUST, Wang Tao seized every opportunity to hone his skills. He participated in robotics competitions and spent countless hours in laboratories, researching autonomous helicopter control systems. It was here that his vision for drone technology truly began to take shape, despite the many challenges ahead. After years of research and experimentation, Wang Tao placed high hopes on his graduation thesis, a sophisticated flight control system for helicopters. However, when the time came for his presentation, disaster struck. The helicopter lost control and crashed in front of the entire evaluation panel. This failure was a heavy blow. Some dismissed his ideas as impractical, while others questioned his abilities. But among the critics, one professor, Li Zexiang, saw potential in Wang Tao's work. Instead of discouraging him, Professor Li offered encouragement and support, urging him to continue developing his flight control technology. Thanks to this guidance, Wang Tao refused to give up. He pressed on, determined to turn his dream of unmanned aerial vehicles into reality, despite the uphill battle ahead. With Professor Li's support, Wang Tao took a bold step. He transformed his idea into a real-world project. In 2006, while still a graduate student, he founded DJI Dajiang Innovations in a tiny 20-meter-square warehouse in Shenzhen. At first, DJI wasn't a drone manufacturer. Instead, it focused on developing advanced flight control systems. Wang Tao and his small team worked tirelessly, pouring their hearts into refining the technology, hoping to create groundbreaking innovations. But the road to success was far from easy. Lacking substantial funding and struggling to attract customers, the team had to handle everything, from research and development to finding business partners. Yet their unwavering passion kept them going, laying the foundation for what would become a global drone empire. DJI took its first steps by selling flight control components for model aircraft on online tech forums. However, the niche market and fierce competition made financial stability a constant struggle. The technology was still evolving, requiring relentless improvements to achieve stability and precision. Internal challenges also arose. Wang Tao was known for his high standards and strict leadership style, demanding extreme dedication from his team. This intense work culture led to high employee turnover, but those who stayed were some of the brightest minds committed to pushing DJI forward. Despite all these obstacles, Wang Tao remained steadfast in his mission to develop the best flight control system and turn the dream of drones into reality. Realizing that selling components alone wasn't enough for long-term success, Wang Tao made a strategic pivot. Instead of just providing technology, DJI would create fully integrated products designed for everyday consumers. In 2013, DJI launched the Phantom, its first consumer drone, featuring stable flight, intuitive controls, and a high-quality camera. This innovation marked a turning point, rapidly propelling DJI to market dominance. Subsequent models like the Inspire and Mavic continued to set new industry standards with advanced gimbal stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and smart flight controls. DJI didn't just lead in technology, it redefined the entire drone industry. From aerial photography to agriculture, search and rescue missions, and terrain mapping, DJI became an unstoppable force with virtually no rivals. Overcoming countless hurdles, from a childhood fascination with model aircraft to academic setbacks and startup struggles, Wang Tao built a $15 billion drone empire, establishing DJI as the undisputed leader in unmanned aerial technology.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment and share your feedback so we can improve and create even better content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.